So this is the SYNTECH gaming microphone. It is a pretty decent microphone from SYNTECH Electronics that performs really well at this price range. It is a microphone for gamers and content creators alike. So in this video, I'm going to be looking at the build quality, pricing, and all the features packed in this mini guy here. So let's get into this video. My name is Ayo. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I talk tech. So what's in the box? So we've got the manuals, pop filter, the USB-C to A adapter, the USB-C to C cable. Tech calls this microphone the glow mic, and I'm curious to find out how possible it can glow. So together we'll find out in this video. To the build quality, it's got a plastic build quality on here, which is pretty decent on a budget microphone like this one here. At least it can be compared to the likes of a fine play game A8 and several others at this range. I really love the plastic build quality on here. It looks really decent. Phone port here for real-time monitoring of your sound. We've got the lighting adjustment button here to change between different colors you want. I'm gonna turn that off now because my battery is not helping. I have the USB-C input. Yeah, so this is basically everything you get at the back of this. So moving on to the sound test, I'm sure you're very curious to know what this guy sounds like. The old video recording and my first video, the one I made on the ITEL power bank, was recorded on this guy here. Yeah, so let's take a quick test. Plantain, planter, planted, plantain, plantain, plantation. How did it sound like? So it's got this noise cancellation feature which several or few people might be interested in. So to turn on the noise cancellation feature, just long press on the button on the head, as you can see here. So long press for 5 seconds, so it would indicate a green light showing that it has been turned on successfully. So I want to recommend this noise cancellation for content creators. It might distort your sound, so it's better to use the normal feature and put aside the noise cancellation feature, though it might be useful in some cases. Light adjustment modes. So to put on the light, simply just put it on at the back, just a slight motion on it, and to change between, just long press to power off, and once you're in, double tap to change between different lighting modes, double tap, double tap, double tap, and long press to switch it off. You can see I'm currently changing between different lighting modes. You can see it has so many lighting modes, so just set it to your own preference anyhow you want. According to SYNTECH, cardioid polar pattern on here, so it basically picks sound directly from the speaker's mouth. It picks sounds, just locate the possible sounds where the sound comes from and picks it up. And also at the front of this microphone, we've got a volume adjustment knob, so I'll test that out now. You can see, so it is a pretty decent microphone, like I said earlier, for gamers and content creators alike. So you can get it on Amazon or AliExpress. Though I checked Amazon some few days ago and the pricing wasn't there, but the product was listed there. You can also check AliExpress, it should be available there plus shipping. So I think normally before tax it should be either $39 to $35 or $40 approximately. So you can get it anywhere you are and get it delivered to your doorstep. So overall, this microphone is the best bang for the buck right now if you don't really have much to spend on microphones. I used a lapel mic before until I got this one, and sound quality has changed really great. It has really changed overall. This microphone is really good, produces great sound quality, and you would enjoy it. Its performance are really expected to the likes of Fine Fine, Ampligim E8, and other microphones in this price range. So this microphone is one microphone you should consider getting as a creator, as a content creator or gamer in 2024. It's a really good one. I advise you in getting it. So thank you for watching. My name is Ayo once again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.